Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. So today my face is literally melting off because of the humidity, and if you know Australia weather then you know how hot our summers get. Yeah. So today has been like a 40-degree day and it's just started raining and it's so humid and it's horrible. Anyway, today I will be unboxing the Beautylish 2019 Lucky Bag, which is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics one, which I'm super excited about. So after getting the Jeffree Star mystery box from his Thanksgiving sale, I decided not to do an unboxing on that, simply because after watching so many videos, everyone got the same thing, pretty much. And I thought, there's no real point to doing that. But I have watched some of the Beautylish Lucky Bag Jeffree Star Cosmetics ones, and I am so excited because it looks like everyone got different things. So I'm ready to see what is in this box. It's quite a heavy box, so I'm not too sure what's in there. Or maybe I'm just weak. I don't know. But let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. So in the box, there are 2 packages that are wrapped. So I can't wait to see what I get. Ooh. Ooh, that is pretty. Jeffree Star Cosmetics bag in gold, which I've never really been a fan of gold, but I find gold to work really well with red. Ah, cool. It's got like a little compartment on the inside, so that's cool. And it's got the Jeffree Star logo in pink. I don't know if you can see that because of my lights. That is cute. In the second part, it looks like this. And I'm guessing this is all cosmetics. Alright, so I'm not going to look down during this part, because I'm just going to place it in front of me and pick up whatever. And cover it over each time I pick something up. Okay, so first up we have what looks to be a Supreme Frost in the shade Money Honey. Ooh, that is really pretty. Come on camera, pick it up. Ooh, yeah. Ah, it's so gorgeous. Next item from the box is a velour lip scrub in the flavor Orange Soda. Wow, scent, flavor, I don't know. They're pretty much sugar, so you can eat them anyway. Never actually tried Jeffree Star's lip scrubs, but curious. That actually smells pretty nice. So over with all my lip scrubs. Next up, we have a Skin Frost in the shade Siberian Gold. These pans are absolutely huge, and it's gold. So let's give that a little swatcheroo. That will make a really nice eyeshadow because I'm not sure how well it will look on my skin tone since I've got a lot of yellow undertones. Okay, next thing. Ooh, yeah. It's a velour liquid lipstick. If you're new here, you wouldn't know this, but I'm a liquid lipstick addict. I do swatching videos and yeah. I'm in love with liquid lipsticks. Okay, I forgot to mention what color this was. It is Checkmate. Now, I haven't actually heard of this one. I don't know what collection it was from or what. It's a little red, orangey, pinky. Ooh, that's quite pretty. Next, we have, no idea what this is. Coming soon, Beautylish. Okay. Okay, it's not a Jeffree Star Cosmetics thing. It is Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum. So I don't think I've actually heard of this brand, but yeah. I love my skincare. So that should be good to check out. Now, okay, this is the last item. And oh my god. Haven't looked down to see which one it is yet. I'll show you guys first. Okay, so it's the Beauty Killer palette. Ah. This is amazing. The only two palettes of Jeffree Stars I don't have now are Androgyny, because that got destroyed, and the Blood Sugar one. I'm meaning eyeshadow palettes, not like his highlighting palettes. I don't have any of those, except for pans, which is good. Anyway, this is what Beauty Killer looks like. Oh my god, that hot pink. That hot pink is insane. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with this. I've literally been wanting this for years, but every time I've gone to get it, I haven't been able to because I haven't been able to find it, or it's been sold out, so I just ended up giving up. Same thing with Blood Sugar, which I really need that palette in my life. Androgyny was amazing as well, but at the moment I'm using the Alien palette like almost every day. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with that. Like, oh my god. There's a palette, all those items, and that's insane. Like, I'm so happy. I know some people got mirrors from what I saw and a trio of lipsticks, but I got Beauty Killer. And I am happy. And I'm happy with everything else that I got too. Like, that gold bag is stunning. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!